Hey guys, it's 5:51 in the morning. It's November 7. It's my birthday. So medyo nakagawian ko na to na pinupuntahan every time na mag-birthday ako. I usually spend time for this and I feel like it's worth it. Samahan niyo ako today on this journey and let's go! During my birthdays, nakagawian ko na to. Usually I wake up early tapos I take a leave from my work. Tapos dinadrive ko talaga tong lugar na to. And nakasanayan ko na talaga siya, as in siguro it's been years that I've been devoting my time talaga. Usually during my birthdays, I'm devoting the whole morning to do this. I drive all the way up there para lang gawin to because it's the best way to do, to spend your the first hours of your birthday. And yeah, samahan niyo ako. I'll show you one of the secret places that I go to whenever I try to decongest. I try to just air out everything, tapos yun. So, yeah. So, drive-thru muna tayo ng breakfast natin.
Si McDonald's, try to take an order nila.
Isang sausage McMuffin with egg. Orange juice yung drink. I got sausage McMuffin with egg. Lagi ko in-order to. Nakagawian ko na din na yun yung in-order. Kinintay ko lang yung order ko. Tapos, we'll drive directly through there. Ay, may pit stop pa pala akong isa bago tayo makarating doon. Usually maaga ako umaalis talaga kasi before mag-pile up yung traffic, kasi if you'll get caught up sa traffic dito, papasok dito, ay nako, natanghaliin na tayo. So usually maaga talaga. Tinatry ko before 6 but apparently medyo nagpa-ligoy-ligoy pa tayo kanina, kaya before 6 lang ako umalis. Pero buti naman medyo, ayan, pero nagbe-build up na yung traffic. So, yeah. I'm already here at Marcos Highway. So, I think, alam niyo na kung saan ako papunta. Nakita niyo na rin naman yung signage. So, yun. So, we are already here at our second pit stop. Ito lagi yung pinupuntahan ko din. Actually, ito yung parang stopover ko. Usually, CR ako, tapos usually, sinasagot ko na yung mga birthday greetings para hindi magpa-pile up. And I make sure na nare-replyan ko sila. Kasi, it's the way how you appreciate yung mga tao nakakaalala during your special day, diba? So, importante yon that we respond to all of those messages. So, ayun, simulan ko na siya. $7 AM pa daw nag-open yung store, yung Starbucks. So, actually, I'll just get coffee, tapos I'll get my birthday cake. Yun lang yung gagawin natin dito. And usually, yun yung ginagawa ko dito. So, hintayin lang natin. It's only like 6:49. 10 minutes na lang naman. So, yun. Emotional naman tong kantang to. It's hard. We are finally here! So, nandito na tayo after quite some time of driving, and I think this is the place that I am going to every time that I need to decongest. Tapos, wala, just to spend some time with the Lord and find that serenity. Tapos, pray for everyone. I think ito yung place na pinupuntahan ko talaga. Nakagawian ko na, every birthday ko talaga pinupuntahan ko to. Ewan ko, parang ito yung time kasi that nagpapasalamat ka sa lahat ng blessings na wait lang, naging emotional tuloy ako. Sa lahat ng mga blessings na natatanggap mo. Tapos, alam mo yun, you just surrender everything. Ayun, basta, yeah, wala, sorry, nagiging emotional lang ako, pero, yeah, I think kaya ako siya ginagawa kasi, at least once a year, na alam mo yun, nare-realize natin yung mga blessings na binibigay ni Lord sa atin. And I think important yun. Kasi minsan nakakalimot tayo that even the simple blessings that we are getting, hindi natin siya na-appreciate kasi sa sobrang bilis ng buhay. So sometimes, you also need to stop and think for a while. Pause. Tapos reflect on the things that really matters in your life. And I think, kaya ako siya ginagawa every birthday ko. During the day of my birthday, kasi it's not about the celebration or whatever. It's just about being grateful and thankful for another year na binibigyan na naman tayo ng chance to live the life that God's been blessing us. So, ayun. Anyway, yeah, I'm just so thankful. Yun lang siguro. Hike talaga, hindi konti lang to na walk going up. Ayun, kapagod, hingil ako. Finally here! So this is the Touch of Glory Prayer Mountain. So malapit lang siya sa Manila kaya pinupuntahan ko talaga siya, tsinatsaga ko siya every time that I need to. Yeah, simple place. Very you are one with nature. Tapos ayan, usually I take my time here to pray, reflect, tapos study the Word of God. Yun yung usually ginagawa ko dito. Regularly kapag birthday ko, dito ako pumunta talaga. Pero whenever I need to decongest, pupunta ako dito kasi ayun, nakakapag-spend time ako with the Lord quietly. Kaya regular din ako pumunta dito. Pero I try to make it a point na every birthday ko, I really spend time with the Lord. Yun yung usually ginagawa ko. Tapos pinagpipray ko talaga lahat ng mga taong kailangan ng prayers. So, yun yung gagawin natin ngayon. Tapos, maganda lang dito pumunta every weekday. Kasi, ayan, walang tao. ako lang, 'di ba? At least sobrang quiet time talaga. Tapos pag weekends medyo madami. Usually maraming groups nagpupunta dito, tapos 'yon. May mga ano din doon sa baba kasi umakyat na ako dito sa taas eh. Doon sa baba may mga parang mamaya dadalhin ko kayo doon. May mga parang mga cell, parang maliliit na rooms pag if you really want some quiet and prayer time. Tapos I think meron ding mga overnight kung gusto mo mag-spend time overnight din dito. Meron ding canteen. So essentially you can spend the whole day here. Before nagsispend kami ng whole day dito. Pero but due to lack of time, syempre birthday natin, kailangan natin i-maximize lang yung araw natin. So ayun, quiet time muna tayo. This is my birthday cake. I got a slice from Starbucks. So, kainin na natin. This is the parang pistachio baklava cake. Bago nila eh. Tatry natin. Happy birthday to me! Guys, we're eating our cake. Here, may mga layer siya. Okay. I think kailangan na ito kainin kasi parang nadudurog siya. Kakain ko siya. Here. Kama siya. Ganda yung texture sa. So parang siyang pistachio cheesecake. Tapos yung alam yun sa baklava na parang feeling nun. Plus yung sa ibabaw na parang bread or pastry. Okay siya. Ayun, so I'm now going down. Baba na tayo. Tapos itutour ko kayo dun sa mga sa mga, sabi ko sa inyo yung mga meron pa dito sa Touch of Glory na Prayer Mountain. Sige, wait lang. So meron silang worship hall here. Tapos they have cafeteria din kapag nagutom ka. Meron silang parang canteen here. Quiet zone na to. Ito yung sinasabi kong mga prayer cells. Pwede kang pumasok dyan. It's a small room that you can have your prayer time. Pwede kang pumunta dyan. So ito pa, marami pang prayer rooms. Tapos pwede ka ding pumunta dun sa baba. Meron pa dun sa baba doon if you would like to do like a little trekking. May mga like spots din dun that you can go to. We're done here. So we head off to have some lunch by myself. I'm dating myself for lunch and that's okay because it's my birthday. Okay, so I am supposed to have lunch at View Chalet. whatever. It's a Swiss restaurant here in Antipolo. Kaya lang, apparently, close sila. Kasi Wednesday, Thursday pala, they are closed. So I need to find like somewhere that I can actually eat kasi gutom na ako. So I found this Sumo Cafe, nakita ko lang din sa TikTok. Tapos yan, chinek ko naman, okay naman siya. I had chicken parmigiana, tapos tomato soup, and then matcha latte. Yung matcha latte, it's powdered. I didn't like it. Ayun, okay naman, it was fun kahit papano. Probably I'll head down na home, tapos I might have dinner with my family. So yun, that's the plan for the rest of the day. Guys, sorry hindi na ako nakapag-update yesterday kasi actually hindi na tuloy yung dinner na pinlano ko kasi there's something going on at our house, tapos hindi maiwan yung dog. So we just planned to go out sa weekend. Mag-weekend na lang kami. Pero actually what had happened was, ang ginawa ko na lang, nag-order na lang ako ng food, tapos kumain na lang kami, bumili lang ako ng pizza, tapos nagluto yung daddy ko ng chicken tsaka ng spaghetti. Tapos yun, nag-dinner na lang kami sa bahay. Tapos yun, I think it's always nice to spend some time with your family. So na-enjoy ko naman yung birthday ko. And sana nag-enjoy din kayo, nasamahan ako during my special day. And I hope that you continue to watch my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys, for our next travel videos. Tapos follow nyo rin ako on all of my social media accounts. So for now, bye!